Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? I believe you guys are doing well. Thank you for coming or stopping by. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much for your support. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I made this yummy and healthy chicken curry sauce. Very juicy. These are the ingredients I will be using. I have my spring onion, my zucchini, my red bell pepper, I have the green bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, this is my carrots. I cut this carrot into two shapes, different shapes. Yeah, that's my beans, my green beans, my white onion, this sweet white onion. I have my salt to taste, my red Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger roots, my fresh rosemary. This is my chicken. I'll be using soft chicken, Pollo. Soft chicken. Coming to my seasoning and spices. I have my groundnut oil here. I have my Arrosti Seasoning. That's my thyme. I have my curry powder. My vegetable seasoning. That's my Knoor seasoning cube, my Knoor seasoning cube. I have my Knoor chicken there. Okay, we have to start. On my gas, my burner. Place the pot on the fire. Now I have to add my groundnut oil. Maybe like 2 or 3 spoons of groundnut oil will be enough, depending on the quantity you are making. This is enough for me. Adding all the vegetables. After adding all the vegetables, the next thing is to season with all our seasoning and spices. Remember, when I was showing all the ingredients, I forgot to show our frozen green peas and sweet corn. Even the thickening I'll be using cornstarch. Adding my frozen green peas, this is the sweet corn I will be using. Now, as you can see, all the vegetables are already inside the pot, so you need to stir well. You need to stir until it's well combined. Make sure you fry on a low medium heat. Remember, you don't need to fry these veggies for a long time because you will still going to cook it with the chicken. So after stirring it and it's now well combined, you can now cover the pot and set aside. With another pot, you can start cooking your chicken. This is my chicken. I've already washed Adding inside the pot. We have to season with all our seasoning and spices. I have my fresh rosemary inside the pot already. Adding my salt. Adding the remaining diced onions. There goes my ground ginger. You can use ginger paste or diced ginger, depend on the one you want to use. Adding my cube, Knoor seasoning cube, and my curry powder. Adding my thyme. There goes my Arrosti. If you don't have all these seasoning and spices, I believe you have the one you normally use for your cooking. Just do with what you have. Adding my Pollo seasoning, my vegetable seasoning. After that, just stir until it's well combined. Make sure you stir until it marinates to each other. Adding my red Scotch bonnet pepper. After that, I will stir together and add water. And after adding the water, I will cover the pot and allow it to cook. Remember, you don't need to cook it for so long because the chicken is already soft in nature. This is the thickening I will be using. I forgot to show you guys earlier. This is cornstarch. I'll be using 2 spoons of cornstarch for this recipe. Whenever you want to thicken your hot liquid, this is what you will use, cornstarch, or you can use normal flour if you don't have cornstarch. Just mix with cold water until it's very smooth. As you can see now, this one is smooth, no trace of lumps. After that, I will go back to the meat to check how far for the meat. First of all, I will look for the fresh rosemary that I put earlier. I have to remove it because it's only the aroma that I need, not the stem. Now it's time to add the thickener. I will gradually pour this mixture inside the hot liquid. After adding the cornstarch mixture into the hot liquid, I will then stir until it's well blended. And make sure you stir constantly. While stirring, remember to check if it's exactly the consistency that you are looking for, and remember to taste. After that, you can now cover the pot. Allow it to cook for more 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just check the food. Just in case if you don't get exactly the consistency that you are looking for, you can now decide what to add before you continue cooking. Depend on what you are looking for. If you want it too thick or light, you can add more starch or more water. Now I am going to add the veggies. Vegetable time. Remember, when you are putting this vegetable, you don't need to cook it for so long. I know you will not like to lose that crunchy feelings. For me, I don't like my vegetable to be too soft. I like it crunchy. Not too crunchy. Oh. What I mean is that I don't like it when it's overdone. After adding the vegetables, just turn everything together until it's well marinated. Marinate together. Remember to taste to be sure that everything is balanced, as I am doing now. Super. If it's not, you can now add whatever you want to add. As of now, it's okay. Just cover the pot. Allow to cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, your food is ready to serve. Just turn off the gas. It's ready to serve. Hola! Can you see? Very juicy, fresh. Wow! If you taste this, oh, that is confusion here. Oh. Wow, so juicy, fresh, yummy. Can you see that? What do you have to say? Just leave your comment below. I know you will like it because it's very inviting. Wow. Please note, all the ingredients that I use will be listed on the description box below. Thanks for watching and God bless you. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure you subscribe before you leave. Leave your comments below. Please like, just give your thumbs up. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell button to turn it on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. See you on my next video. Bye.